pieces. You walk by and I fall to pieces.
That boy can sing. I was working at a place called Michael's in North Hollywood. It was a real dive. I mean, I'll tell you how bad it was. I mean, it was fun there, though, didn't we? I mean, we had a lot of fun, but the place was like so not, nobody cared, you know. It was like they were just there, and everything was fine, if you can imagine that. So I was working on a big boat job with these great big foam cushions. And Steve Hunter at the time, our drummer, who was working the gig with us, it was a blues gig. This is how I met this guy at this club. So Steve says to me, we have to deaden the walls around the band. It's too live, you know, it doesn't sound good. He said, you got any insulation? I said, I got some big 4-inch foam pads. They're kind of like burgundy and